Hi, Eric Mitchell, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Sedan Joiner with a February home maintenance tip. You know, doing home maintenance will prevent larger expenses later on down the road. And today we're going to look at the grout and caulk in our bathrooms. We want to make sure that everything is sealed up well so that there's no water getting underneath that would damage the subfloor, that would create a really messy situation. So we're going to take a look at our shower. Okay, here we are in our shower, and this is not really what I wanted to see. Not sure if you can tell, but right down there, the grout looks like it's needs some attention. There are areas, you know, right, my finger's too big, right around there, those areas, the grout needs to be redone there. I actually want to clean that out and redo the grout to prevent water from going into the area below the tile and creating rot. So that's not good. Yeah, unfortunately, that's really not something I'm qualified to do, so I'm going to be calling a tile guy. I do have a guy. If you look at your tile and you need grout, call me. Let me know if you need a number, because I can help you out with that. Call, text, or email, I promise. I won't leave you hanging.